Have you ever imagined yourself being calm, silent, and passive, yet driving women crazy without doing anything, like a Greek god? Today, we're going to talk about 9 critical behaviors that smart men should avoid in their life with women, all through the lens of Stoicism. Whether you're single, dating, or in a long-term relationship, these insights will help you foster healthier and more fulfilling interactions. Let's get started by understanding why being true to yourself is crucial. Number 1. Don't fake your character to please her. In Stoicism, the concept of authenticity is a core. Seneca advised that we flourish by keeping our soul in a state of harmony. Faking your character to make girl happy can lead to dissatisfaction. Remember, genuine relationships are built on honesty and mutual respect. Number 2. Don't be too obsessed with her. Balance in all aspects of life is a core principle in Stoicism. Marcus Aurelius wrote about the importance of keeping your emotions in check. When affection becomes obsession, it can cloud judgment and lead to decisions that aren't aligned with your true values. Number 3. Don't let her tests bother you. Stoic philosophers, Epictetus taught that we control our responses, not the external events themselves. External events don't harm us, only our reactions to them can. When faced with girl tests, how should a Stoic respond? Simply use it as an opportunity to practice patience and resilience. Number 4. Don't stand up for her against your family. Stoicism places importance on family and societal duties, while defending your partner when they're right is important. Blindly opposing your family creates unnecessary conflict. Weigh your decisions with wisdom and justice. Number 5. Don't agree just to satisfy her. Agreeing just to keep peace is contrary to Stoic honesty. Agreement without conviction is dishonesty. Stoics value the truth highly, and living a lie is detrimental to one's character. Make sure your agreements are in line with your true beliefs and values. Number 6. Don't whine about your past with her. Complaining about past grievances doesn't align with Stoic resilience. Focus on discussing how you've grown from your experiences and what you've learned, rather than dwelling on past sorrows, especially when it's come to your relationship with your ex. Number 7. Don't change your lifestyle to match hers. Adapting your entire lifestyle to a girl's preferences may seem like a grand gesture of love, but it can be unsustainable. Stay true to your principles and adjust only when it aligns with your personal growth and values. Number 8. Don't tolerate her disrespect. Self-respect is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Allowing disrespectful behavior can erode your self-worth and undermine the relationship. If disrespect occurs, address it calmly and rationally. Number 9. Don't be her option. A Stoic values themselves and insists on relationships that are reciprocal and respectful. Being someone's backup plan isn't just emotionally damaging, it's beneath your dignity. Stoics believe in knowing your worth and ensuring your relationships reflect that worth. Conclusion. In today's discussion, we've explored how Stoicism can provide practical guidance in maintaining you as a high-status man with women. Remember, the aim isn't just to avoid negative behaviors, but to cultivate a life of virtue, wisdom, and emotional resilience. Thank you for joining us, and if you found these insights helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends. See you next time for more.